To deposit into your Bitget wallet using GCash in 2024, follow these simple steps. Number one method is buying crypto via GCash. So first thing is all you have to do is to log into your Bitget wallet, and once you do it, you have to log in with your official ID. So after that, all you have to do is to buy that crypto. So in order to buy the crypto, make sure that you select the currency which you want to buy. For example, you want to uh, let's go to the market and go to the BTC, and here you can buy it. So once we're here, all you have to do is to select Gcash as the payment option. So number second method is P2P trading with Gcash. So you can P2P trade in the trade market. So you can do that with the people using your Gcash as the payment option. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.